Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about GALAX Master Edition GeForce RTX 4070 Super HoF OC card. So friend, a Hall of Fame OC Lab Master Edition card is based on NVIDIA's freshly launched GeForce RTX 4070 Super GPU has been introduced, and friend, as besides such a financially named card, GALAX has rolled out the red carpet with a special cooling solution that is designed to temper a substantial overclock over Team Green's reference settings. Its 2685 MHz specification sits atop the customized GeForce RTX 4070 Super GPU pile, and friend, the GALAX GeForce RTX 4070 Super Hall of Fame OC Lab Master Edition graphics card sports an almost all-white design. Even its PCB is outfitted in a pale hue, and this Ada Lovelace AD104-350-A1 driven Galaxy page speaks with a 250-watt TGPH standard, user-adjustable up to 320-watt. A 3-pin to 16-pin adapter is supplied by default, ensuring that more than enough juice is supplied. And GALAX states that the card features a 12+ 3-phase design, and coupled with the power section is controlled by an XDPE10281 PWM. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.